Hi you guys, welcome to the Pure Oil Choice channel. My name is Victoria Labrilla and I am extremely excited that you decided to click on this video. Today's video is going to be all about how to get our oils for pennies per drop. If you've heard of doTERRA, I am excited for you. If this is your first time learning about doTERRA, welcome. So you guys, I want to make sure you're getting the best deals possible all of the time. So we're going to walk you through step by step. And I myself am a visual learner. So you're going to have a lot of visuals to guide you along the way so you can pause the video, come back to it whenever you need a refresher. Also, at the very end, I'm going to be sharing with you 4 of my really favorite doTERRA blends that help with mood management. We all could use a boost in our morale and overall health and wellness. So stick around, like and subscribe, and let's get started. You're probably trying to figure out how the heck do I navigate the doTERRA website? Well, my friends, you're not alone because you know what? I'm a visual learner. So today's video is going to be all about how you can navigate your back office, or if you're new, here are some amazing things that doTERRA offers. So my friends, I want you to blossom and grow with your knowledge because that is what will help you do life better. We all want to improve. There's always room for improvement. So let's rock and roll, and hopefully you learn something new. And obviously learn how to get the doTERRA essential oils at pennies per drop. So the first thing you want to do, my friends, is log into doTERRA.com. I have a Wellness Advocate account, so I put in my Wellness Advocate number along with my password, and I press log in. If you are not a doTERRA member already, that's okay. What you're going to do is you're going to press enroll today, and you are going to get started. So my friends, this is the landing page. This is what you will see when you log in. Well, my friends, the summer cashback splash has already happened, so there's going to be another visual there, but the platform is still the same. So I'm going to hover over my name, which is Victoria, and you're going to see you can go to account profile, order history, your loyalty orders, so on and so forth. And we're going to touch upon that in just a second. But I want to go over to shop. When you click on shop, this page will show up. Okay, you're going to see essential oils in categories like single oils or proprietary blends, the digestion products, or you're going to see, you're also going to see other products like personal care, supplements, kits and collections, and literature, and then diffusers down below. My friends, you're also going to see your loyalty rewards order right there, a quick snapshot of the products that is in your cart already. Or if you don't have an LRP, a loyalty rewards order, then you're going to create a one-time order. So if we click on single oils, you're going to get an A through Z breakdown of every single oil offered. But I want you to see this because I am a wholesale customer. I'm a wellness advocate with doTERRA. I pay wholesale price, which means it's 25% below retail. Retail for the peppermint beadlets is $16.67. The wholesale cost is $12.50. Holy heck, I am going to pay the $12.50. I never want to pay the $16.67. As you can see, every single oil is 25% below wholesale retail cost. The same with proprietary blends. A through Z, my friends, you see the breakdown, the money in your pocket, the savings that you are receiving when you are a member of doTERRA. Okay, my friends, when you hover over the word shop, this drop down section will show up. Look at that. You can shop for it just like this as well. If you are one that wants to know about the certified pure therapeutic grade essential oils and the product availability, because you know what, with the times we're in, sometimes there may be a delay, and that's okay. We have to practice our patience. You would want to click on product availability. Okay, you guys, again, I'm visual and I know I'm not the only one. So look at the pennies per drop for these essential oils. 9 cents for Breathe, our respiratory blend. 13 cents for Digestin. It's our digestive blend. I love that one for my motion sickness. On Guard, our protective blend, is 14 cents a drop. We have Balance Adaptive Copaiba. Look at that. And when we talk about a drop, we're talking about pure, unadulterated drops of joy. Let me just tell you, my budget allows for pennies per drop. It is a whirlwind of excitement when you realize how far a full bottle of doTERRA essential oil goes. I mean, you guys, I am a 2-adult household with 2 fur babies. We all use essential oils, and a bottle of 250 drops goes such a long way. I mean, we're talking months of usage. Look at this again. Our adaptive calming blend is 15 cents per drop. Our lemon is just 4 cents a drop, which I put in my water every single day. Lavender is 9, and our deep blue, which I actually have on my knees right now, is 39 cents per drop. I know that my wallet can afford certified pure therapeutic grade essential oils through doTERRA. Okay, you guys, let's go back. You're going to hover over your picture and you're going to go to the loyalty orders. When you click on that, you're going to see what you have in your cart at this time. So my friends, you're going to see that I have the Foundation of Health, the Lifelong Vitality. Well, because I'm on the LRP program, the Loyalty Rewards program, I receive the option of adding 3 additional supplements at a heavily discounted rate. So my friends, of course, I want to spend the least amount of money but get the most benefits. So this is what you do. You grab onto 3 of those supplements, you add them to your cart, and you pay a heavy discount for it. I love it. And then you see the On Guard mouthwash. Okay, you guys, you see my total items is 5 items. You see the subtotal, the PV, which is 100. Everything has a point value. Then you have the estimated shipping points earned because I'm paying $3.99. It's the cheapest shipping, which I get in return. So it's basically free shipping. So they're giving me $4 back for free shipping. And then because I've been a part of the LRP program so long, I am earning 30% back in product points. So this purchase, that month that I ordered these items, I was receiving $34 back simply for choosing these natural solutions. Oh my gosh, you guys, savings upon savings. And let's not forget to donate. We are so blessed to have all the things we have, our health, our happiness, a roof over our head, food in our stomach. I believe we all can afford to donate $1. The $1, when you click that, goes to the Healing Hands Foundation. It is a nonprofit of doTERRA that has different categories of nonprofits that we support that are doing good for this whole entire world. So you guys, we're going to click once more. We're going to review our cart, make sure everything is hunky-dory. Our shipping address is great, our payment method, delivery, and contact information. You always want to double check just to make sure, because you know what? This is technology and there can be glitches. So after that, after you do all of that, I just wanted to take a quick moment and show you a snapshot of all the free oils that I received when I participated in the Loyalty Rewards program throughout the year of 2019. I received $315 in free oils because of the Loyalty Rewards order and promotions. That can be you too. You can receive free oils through the whole year simply for doing the Loyalty Rewards order. Connect with me, connect with whoever introduced you to doTERRA to make sure you are getting your free oils. Okay, my friends, we're going to go back to your account. You're going to click on Account Profile. Well, my friends, if you are a wellness advocate, this is what you will see. Your profile information, things for your business, your website, your orders. But my friends, I want you to make sure, even if you're not a wellness advocate, but you're a wholesale customer because you want to pay the cheapest amount for your oils, I want you to make sure that your email, your phone number, your address, all of those things are up to date because, you know, life happens. So we want to make sure that we are having our ducks in a row, and everything is up to date. Okay, this is some really fun stuff that I want to make sure you are aware of. You're going to hover over Discover, you're going to go to Blog, and you're going to go to Science, and look what you find. The whole blog about science, people. Dun, dun, dun. You can find the research news, the topics and resources, health and wellness, educational resources. It's all for you. It is all accurate. It's all amazing. Free information for you, my friends. It is here. Then you're going to go back. You're going to click on Discover. You're going to hover over Discover. You're going to hover over Lifestyle, which is under Blog, and look what you find. If you know me, you know I love this blog place. It has DIYs, it has recipes, healthy living, and product spotlights. If you want to learn more about certain products, the product spotlight is the place for you to go, my friends. Healthy living, recipes, DIYs, all of the above, doTERRA has it for you for free. Okay, my friends, you're still going to hover over Discover, and you're going to click on Discover Solutions under Product Education. And this is what you will find. You're going to find Discover Solutions. Find the essential oil that works for you. Oh my gosh, my friends. If you want to eat right, you're going to click on Eat Right, and then it's going to show you products to help you do so. Exercise, mood management, reduce your toxic load. It is all there for you. Okay, you guys, like I mentioned before, I wanted to share with you 4 amazing oil blends to help with mood management. The first one is Balance. Balance is our grounding blend. I love it so much. I start my day with it and end my night with it. I apply it on the bottoms of my feet and over my heart. It just helps ground me and allow me to just relax. And then there's Elevation. Elevation is our joyful blend. It is sunshine in a bottle. I am from sunny San Diego, so I really enjoy this Elevation blend. If you are feeling low, you want to boost your mood, diffuse a couple drops of Elevation in your doTERRA diffuser. And then there's Citrus Bliss. Citrus Bliss is a creamsicle in a bottle. It is delicious. It is a non-consumable. It is only a aromatic and topical essential oil, but it is beautiful. I love diffusing Citrus Bliss, and it reminds me of my childhood, hearing the ice cream truck come around and ordering that creamsicle from them. And then finally, we have Serenity. Serenity is our restful blend. Serenity essential oil brings calm. It brings relaxation. And you don't just have to use it before bedtime. I mean, let's be real. My house has 3 diffusers in our master bedroom. Maybe I have a little too many. Maybe I don't. But fact still remains is I will diffuse it every single night in at least one of my diffusers. But if you're a mama out there, then I would diffuse Serenity during nap time. If your kiddo is struggling to get into that relaxation state, then Serenity would be your friend. Or you guys, maybe you are super stressed out and your mind is just going bonkers. Well, my friends, I would grab your Balance, I would apply it to the bottoms of your feet, over your heart, and I would put a drop of Serenity in your hand, rub your hands together and rub your shoulders and inhale that aroma. Calm yourself down. So no, it's not just an evening oil. It's for any time you need it. doTERRA has your back. With me, and I want to leave you with one more recipe because it's a DIY and I love my oils with my DIYs. I hope you liked this video. I hope it was informational and you grabbed some really awesome tidbits from it. So that is the wrong word to use. Anyways, I really hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you again soon. Woo! I had to do that. Why not? It will stick in your brain. I'm telling you, if there's rhythm to our information, it will stick in our brain better than if you didn't have a rhythm with it. So pennies per drop, pennies per drop. Oh my gosh, pennies per drop. I crack myself up.